Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fix Nintendo Switch Fortnite lag. So usually lags happen when you are far from a server or your ping is high. So to fix that you'll have to launch Fortnite and go to settings, and you'll have to navigate to game section, and then you'll see this language and region category. In this category you'll see matchmaking region which will be given to auto. So you'll have to find the server or region that has the least amount of ping. So as you can see here, there are locations here, regions here, and in brackets as you can see there are pings. So 17 ms is the ping and 97 ms is the ping. So if it is given to auto, so it may jump from one to another. So my advice would be to select the least amount of ping you can see here, and select it and save the region. So what will happen is the least amount of ping that you have, the game won't lag that much. So after that, what you can do is you can play a Nintendo Switch while it being docked. So when it is docked, it doesn't go on power saving mode. Also, you can turn off your power saving mode off also. So to do that, you'll have to go to video section of your settings. As you can see here, video. In the video section you will see advanced graphics, and you will see this option power saving mode. If you have it on, you will have to turn it off, so it won't save any of your resources, and it will give you full power, and you won't have any lag or input delays. So try these methods and hopefully you will be able to overcome the issue. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.